The Boulder area is rapidly growing, as are surrounding communities like Louisville, Superior, and Broomfield. Since Bellwether has been expertly installing siding and windows on homes in these areas since 2017, we have witnessed the growth and know exactly what it takes to protect home exteriors from the climate while creating a beautiful aesthetic that fits right in. Boulder has always been known for an eclectic sense of style, but also uses beautifying regulations to maintain neighborhood cohesion. Communities in Louisville, Superior, Broomfield, and the surrounding areas are following suit, and new build neighborhoods are popping up in the latest home exterior styles, easily achievable with a versatile siding product like James Hardie fiber cement siding. Whether your established Boulder home looks perfect in a natural classic lap siding, or your brand new Louisville home is ideal for contrast board and batten siding, James Hardie fiber cement siding can match this look for you. Maybe your Superior property includes rustic, rural elements, or you're in an HOA-controlled subdivision in Broomfield. James Hardie fiber cement siding is the perfect siding product for any of these Colorado home designs. Pressed in a factory-controlled setting to mimic the grain of wood, this composite siding material made from cement and cellulose fibers is completely versatile and can be crafted into the style of your dreams. Bellwether installs James Hardie fiber cement siding in a number of different siding profiles. Not to mention, with Color Plus technology, there are more than 700 warranty-backed colors to choose from, making your dream home design a very real possibility. Our designers are up to date on the latest color options for every area in Colorado, including Boulder, Louisville, Superior, and Broomfield. And our sales teams can work on your home design in real time using Hover to curate 3D renderings of your home that will showcase any iteration of siding replacement, allowing you to make an informed decision about what works best for your home. But what's more important for Boulder area homeowners is that James Hardie fiber cement siding is as resilient as it is versatile. Historically, homes in Superior, Louisville, and Boulder are susceptible during wildfire season, with rugged landscape, dry grasses, and trees on the foothills nearby. James Hardie fiber cement siding is the first step, and its Grade A fire rating immediately shields the home exterior from spark and flame. Bellwether also expertly installs windows and offers double and triple paned windows for added fire protection. Even when the risk of fire is lower, all of these Boulder area communities are exposed to harsh weather elements, even in more suburban areas like Broomfield. James Hardie fiber cement siding is guaranteed with a lifetime warranty, and it is incredibly low maintenance. With low time commitment, Boulder area homeowners can easily protect their homes from Colorado weather like snow and ice, knowing for certain that their home exterior will remain beautiful and stand the test of time. James Hardie fiber cement siding will never split, crack, peel, or fade, even when constantly exposed to the baking sun common in Boulder, Louisville, Superior, and Broomfield. Bellwether has been established in Boulder communities for years and has many satisfied customers throughout Louisville, Superior, and Broomfield. Our respectful and professional team members will provide you with an initial assessment free of charge, followed by a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your home. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Boulder is a unique and special community, as are the neighborhoods growing around it in Superior, Louisville, and Broomfield. You don't want a siding contractor who doesn't understand the growth and needs of your hometown. At Bellwether, we've worked hard to understand the communities where we work and live. We're your neighbors, and so we understand the importance of quality siding products that will stand up to changeable and intense Colorado weather and achieve your design goals. When you work with Bellwether to renovate your home exterior in Boulder, Louisville, Superior, or Broomfield, you're choosing an expert team of locals who are committed to work with you to build the home of your dreams that will last a lifetime.